Now you can hear it raining outside. Ooh, caught that lightning flash, guys, at work, people. Hope you all are doing well tonight. You hear that? There's a lightning. And this is the walkway of the apartment building that I stayed in. Getting hungry again, but I'm not going anywhere. It's raining too hard. Ooh, see that? See it, see it, see it. See the rain, see the rain. The rain is coming down steadily and surely, but it's coming down. Oh yeah. The rain is coming down. Sometimes I wonder to myself, who's making God cry? I know that at times I've done some things that's probably made him cry for sure. But this helps ease some of the stress and the anxiety and things that I feel at times because there's so many things happening. And I'm just very nervous because I'm in a position I've never had to be in before. You know, being a caregiver and having to provide for homes, you know, something that, you know, my parents, when they were healthy, took care of. I don't think it matters what age you're at, but when you feel like you're not equipped, you know, due to certain lies of the enemy, you feel away. And there are times I do the best that I can. Ultimately, that's all we can do is the best that we can. But sometimes I end up questioning myself, am I doing enough? And then I just need time to sit here and watch it rain. And I just thank God for the little things. Because that's what's important. We got to thank him for the little things. Life is not a little thing.